Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Learning objectives. Identify the Surah Al-Qari'ah and the warnings about the Day of Judgment. Surah Al-Qari'ah. Conceptual themes. Children, you all know that this surah talks mainly about the day of judgment and the situation humans will be in on that day of despair. It serves as a warning to keep Muslims aware of their purpose in life. You all know that the day of judgment has been described as a calamity that comes so suddenly that a man will think about himself alone. Man will be running around in a state of utter confusion. But the only things that can save them from that day will be Allah's mercy and kindness. Children, now we are going to learn about the things that make good deeds worthless. Shirk, that is connecting partners with Allah. It derives from the Arabic word for partnership. This sin is committed if you imagine that there is some other God other than Allah who is also worthy of worship or to whom you can pray. Second one, leaving daily prayers. When you don't perform your daily prayers, you are disobeying your Creator and you are being ungrateful towards Him. The whole purpose of our life is to worship Allah. Next one, Zakat. Zakat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and an act of worship. The meaning of Zakat is to purify, and so to purify our wealth. Zakat benefits the giver as well as the receiver. Do you know that whoever does not pay Zakat on his wealth, the wealth shall assume the shape of a python on their day of judgment and will be around his neck till his accounting is complete. Not fasting on the days of Ramadan. Performing fasting is one of the conditions of being a Muslim. A person who regards himself as a Muslim has to perform fasting in Ramadan and keep his promise to Allah. Fasting is also a kind of worship. Not performing Hajj. Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Whoever has the provisions and the means to convey Allah's house and he does not perform Hajj, then it does not matter dies as a Jew or a Christian. That is because Allah said, and Hajj is a duty that mankind owes to Allah for whoever is able to bear the journey. So children, what lessons did you learn from this surah? Lesson 1. Qari'ah means a loud rumbling tremor, and the day of judgment will start with this horrifying noise. Lesson 2. On the day, humans will be disorganized, panicked, running towards the grounds where the evaluations will take place. Lesson 3. Allah shall judge us on our good or bad deeds. Lesson 4. Those for whom the scales dip in favor of bad deeds shall be thrown into the fire where they will burn. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there are 2 statements that are light for the tongue to remember, and heavy in the scale and are dear to the merciful. That is, glory be to Allah and His is the praise. Allah is free from imperfection. Children, now you have to do the worksheet where you have to choose the correct answer for the question. So take care, have a great day. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.